Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Technical Sheryar. Today in this video we are going to show you how to download Windows 10 latest version for your PC or laptop. So we will download the Windows 10 latest version from the official websites. So make sure you have to subscribe our channel and hit the press the bell icon and select all for latest video updates. So without waste any of our time, let's get started. So first of all we need you have any browser. So I will create a new tab. So search Windows 10 latest version. Okay, Windows 10 latest version. So hit enter and you can see this is the official website from the Microsoft. Okay, so this is the official website from Microsoft. Okay, so where is our website? So this is the official website. Okay, so I will click this. So just wait a moment. So you can see our Microsoft website is open. You can see there is there is nothing there to download option to download Windows 10 version. So you can see this is the update. We no need to update. So this is the create an installation media, but we do not need to this option. Okay, so we want to the downloading option. So first of all you have the two way to create a download button. Okay, so first of all you have pressed the F12 button from your keyboard. Okay, when you press the F12 button, you have enable your inspect element. Okay, so if you know what is the button, so I will click it manually. Click there, right click and press the inspect element. These two ways: inspect element for F12 and right click and and select the inspect element. Okay, so there is nothing again there is nothing the download option. So you have refresh this page. Okay, I will refresh this page. Okay, so make sure you have check out this box. Okay, if you cannot check out this box, so you cannot see the download option. Okay, so our download option is showing. So I will cut this option. There is. Okay, so this is the you can see this is the our downloading option for Windows 10. You can see select edition. The Windows 10 edition below are valid for both Windows 10 Home and Pro. Okay, so select the edition. There is the October latest version, the Windows 10 2020 update. Okay, select the Windows 10. Okay, press the confirm button. So something loading and you can choose your language. Okay, there's a lot of language for you. Okay, so I will choose English and hit enter and confirm again. Okay, so you can see this you can see two there are two downloading option, 32-bit and 64-bit. Make sure you have checked out your PC with comfortable with 32-bit and 64. Okay, so when you make sure you have download the IDM. Okay, so if you do not have IDM, if you want to, I make the video for download IDM internet download module. So comment down and I will guide you and make a video for the how to download internet download manager. Okay, so when you press the Windows 64 or Windows 32-bit. Okay, so select the my PC is compatible with the 64-bit. Okay, so I will press the 64-bit download. Okay, when you press the button and you will show the pop-up of the Windows 64-bit. Okay, so wait a moment. uh, so you can see this is the ISO file for the Windows 10. This is the size of the 5.79 GB. Okay, so hit the start download button, and your 64-bit Windows is going to install. Okay, so when you install, so uh, insert your USB and bootable, and install the Windows 10. Okay, so in the last thing, maybe you have subscribed to our channel Technical Shehryar. Okay, so please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more video updates. Okay, so say cheers, goodbye.